Good day. Do you please introduce yourself?
I'm Danica Salabinto Conche, 28, married. I have 2 children. My son is 8 years old and my daughter is 12 years old. I'm living at Matunglabang, Ilagan City, Isabela, Philippines. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a second child of the family. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have a work experience in the Philippines as a housemaid for 9 years with 2 employers. First, I have served 6 persons, a couple, and 4 children, aged 12, 16, 34, and 38 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and taking care of the children. Second employer, I have served 5 persons, a couple, and 3 children. And I do cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing, and take care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When baby sick, I will check the temperature and I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I have been patient and working and honest.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad because she needs to my family.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
Be honest and calm.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My mother.
Okay.
Sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I have hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.